Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to solve the exercise of unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. And in exercise, first of all, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blank is Excel is a spreadsheet software. The blanks are filled with bold text and further they are also underlined. So spreadsheet is the correct word for first fill in the blank. Second fill in the blank is a cell is an intersection of a row and column. Third, in Excel 2003 there are 256 columns and 65,536 rows. Fourth fill in the blank says that by default each workbook has 3 worksheets in Excel 2003 version. Fifth fill in the blank is by default the numbers are aligned to the right in the cell. Sixth fill in the blank says formula begins with the equal to sign. The square root function, remember that in Excel square root function is written as SQRT. This is the short form for square root function. Returns the square root of a given number. Like for example, square root of 16 is 4. Eighth fill in the blank says that the shortcut command Ctrl plus S is used to save the spreadsheet. The shortcut command Ctrl plus V is used to paste the data. Once we copy any data or we cut any data, so if we want to paste it anywhere, any other place, so for that purpose we use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus V. 10th fill in the blank says that the shortcut command Ctrl plus B is used to bold the text. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. MS Excel is the application software. The correct options are highlighted with yellow color. So option A is the correct answer. Second MCQ says MS Excel and Lotus 123 are the examples of spreadsheet software. These are type of spreadsheet software. Third one, there are dash columns in one worksheet in MS Excel 2003. So we already know this, that 256 columns are there. Option C is the correct answer. Fourth MCQ, by default the name of the current workbook in the title bar is book 1. The default name of any new workbook is book 1. Later on we can rename the workbook. Fifth MCQ says the address of the 256th column of the worksheet is capital I and V, capital V. So option C is the correct answer. The function that is used to find the largest or maximum number from a range of numbers is max function. We have studied this function, that whenever if you want to find out or to know the maximum value out of several values out of some range, so for that purpose we use the max function, which gives us the maximum value out of any range of numbers. Seventh MCQ says the function, that is power, and in parentheses we provide two values, that is 2 and 3. Remember, the first value is considered as the value and the second one will be considered as its power, the power of the first value. So we can assume it like 2 cube or 2 power 3. So this will return 8. The correct option is option B, that is 8. The save button looks like option A. This is the save button. Almost all applications of Microsoft Office contain this button for save. Ninth MCQ says the function min stands for minimum, and there are two values, -1 and -2. So -2 is the minimum value would return. Option B is the correct answer, that is -2. The graphical representation of the data in worksheet is, it is called chart. Chart is the graphical representation of data in the worksheet. Question number 3 is state true or false. The first statement says that like MS Excel, Lotus 123 is also a spreadsheet software, that is true. Second statement is MS Excel is the part of Microsoft Office, true. Third one, in spreadsheet data is organized in tabular form, yes, exactly, that is also true. Fourth, the columns are numbered from 1 to 65,536, that is wrong. Actually rows are numbered from 1 to 65,536, and that is also in Microsoft Office 2003 version. In the latest versions, of course, the number of rows and columns are much more as compared to the previous versions of Microsoft Excel. So this is just related to the Microsoft Office 2003. Fifth statement is the function square root and the value is -16 would return -4, that is false, because square root function cannot find out the square root of any negative number. We can only find out the square root of positive number. Sixth statement is the command Ctrl+C is used to paste the data, that is wrong, so it's false. Ctrl+V is used to paste the data, while Ctrl+V is used to paste the data and Ctrl+C is used to copy the data. Seventh statement is the command Ctrl+I is used to underline the text, that is also false. Ctrl+U for underline and Ctrl+I is used for making the text italic. Eighth statement is in MS Excel the text is aligned automatically to the left side of the column, that is true. Numbers are aligned to the right side of the column, while text is aligned to the left side of the column automatically, that is true. Ninth statement is a chart is a graphical representation of the data in the worksheet, that is true. Tenth statement says that column chart is a chart in which numerical values are illustrated with vertical columns, so that's true. The last question of this exercise, that is match the columns. So here you can see the first thing is, or the first option is MS Excel, so we'll match it with the Microsoft Office, because Microsoft Excel belongs to the Microsoft Office package. Second is rows, so the number of rows in Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel 2003 which is mentioned in your book are 65,536, so that is matched. Both are highlighted with yellow color. Columns, there are 256 columns, so option A. Pi is a type of chart, and VisiCalc is a type of spreadsheet software, so option D is matched with 5. So with this we are done with the exercise of this unit, that is spreadsheets in Excel. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot, take care, Allah Hafiz.